and welcome back to Channel 7 News. Today we will be discussing various topics. First, we will be discussing a snowstorm that hit neighboring suburbs around Seattle. Then we will be covering a quick word from our sponsor, Coca-Cola. Now we will be going on to our... What's that?
And continuing after that frosty climate in Washington, let's discuss frost in a different area. In local areas, there has been a blizzard striking. So now we have a reporter over there to record your friends and family slowly freezing to death. Thanks for handing it over to me. So here I am with some concerned citizens. Are you dead? I think they're dead.
That wraps up our Channel 7 broadcast. We hope you stay safe and you have a great time during this beautiful winter. Stay safe, stay off the roads, and drink a lot of Coca-Cola.